Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have a brand new subscription, and it is called Orly. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you like this content, please consider subscribing and hit like on your way out. So, you guys, I have a brand new subscription, and I saw this actually from Lisa, the Imperfectionist, her site, and she unboxed it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't know they had such things. So, I checked it out, and I was able to get it. And the best thing is, it is local, made in LA. I just signed up for it, and it's here in like 2 days. I'm like, what? How come this box can get here in 2 days, and the one even closer, 3 hours away, takes me 2 weeks? Anyhow, I digress. So, as I said, this is Orly. It's a nail polish, actually, subscription. The only thing is I'm hoping everything is okay, because look at the condition of this box. It's like somebody kicked it, threw it, stepped on it. I don't know. But it's like beat up all to heck. I mean, it's almost like somebody played kickball all the way from LA with it. I don't know. So hopefully everything will be okay. I've never received anything from them, so I don't know how their packaging is. So let's check it out. But before we do that, I almost forgot. Let's do our real quick 1 minute empowering questions and affirmation card. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and pick one and pull this out. And this says, I am grounded and at peace. Oh, that's a good one. I am grounded and at peace. And here it is. And the question in the back says, when do I feel most peaceful? How can I continue to experience this peace within my life? So this is a good one. And here it is. That's the question in the back. And so, yeah. I am grounded and at peace. And you know what? I can honestly tell you, I do feel grounded and I do feel at peace. And especially so because we are in Ramadan. And I spend most of my day actually just, being grounded and getting closer to my God and reading the Quran, which is our holy book. And so, yeah, and then just, through prayers and actually really fasting. And because we fast not only from food, but we also fast from drink. We fast from being angry. We fast from arguing with people, all of those things. And when we fast, we don't just fast from food and drink. We also fast from all of the worldly things that are happening. And so, yeah, I do feel very grounded at this time of year and at peace with myself. So, yeah. And, when I do feel most, when do I feel most peaceful? Well, I think when I am actually praying and, feeling really spiritual. And also, how can I continue to experience this within myself, within my life? Well, continue. I pray 5 times a day, every day. I just have to really focus and really be, away from what we call the dunya, which is the world. And so, and just the materialistic world is what it is. And so, yeah, that's that. And anyway, so the next piece, I want you to put it below, for me too, that, when are you at most peace and when do you feel the most grounded? Don't forget that, okay? And so I'm going to go ahead and share with you now something that somebody had to say. And I do this to spotlight my beautiful wildflowers. And especially if you say something witty, not only that, but also something kind, something good, something that's helpful. So that way everybody benefits. Okay, and this is by Teresa Parker. And what happened was on one of my videos, I can't figure out how the tracking number actually tracks with FedEx sometimes. It's like you click on it, it says pending, 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 and then sometimes it goes nowhere. Just like, the ball of death that rolls and rolls and rolls. So this is what Teresa Parker had to say. Try entering the number for the FedEx tracking on the website instead of following the link. When I followed the link for mine, it says delivered, but it actually wasn't. So if you enter the number like I did, it might let you know it hasn't been delivered yet. And you know what? I have tried that, and it does work. And she's exactly right. And I wanted to share that with you guys because, you know, it is nothing worse than just looking at thing going delivered and then all of a sudden you don't have it. And so, yeah, Teresa, thank you so much for sharing that with me, because now I just take that link, copy it, go to the website, and then I just paste it. And then it tells me exactly where it is. I don't know where these links come from, but yeah, that is problematic. So yeah, that's it. So that is that. And let me get going. I forget that I'm actually doing an unboxing and not, you know, this other stuff. And so, but the other stuff is very important because, you know, you guys are special. And I have to say that. And okay, box cutter. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. So anyway, here we go. Let's see, how is this open? We will go ahead and slice this puppy open. Not the hands. That's not a good thought. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to be going to the doctors at this time of year. And no time of year for a sliced hand. Oh, yeah, that would be not good. Okay, guys, I had to change the battery pack. I have not run out of battery in so long because I'm, you know, now so aware. But this kind of took a little bit of a long time. I'm editing out a big stretch of time because I had to answer a call. And so anyway, sorry about that. So I did open the box. Like I said, it is hecka torn up. But let's see what the inside's like. I mean, look at even the inside is like, oh, okay. It says, Orly, love your nails. Okay, and I did do a lot of research on this company. This company actually has a lot of originals. Like, they're the original French manicure, you know, with the white tips. They're them. And so, yeah. Okay, here we go. We have this. And then we have a card. And here is the free gift, because they always give you a free gift. And here is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Darn. Okay. 6 colors. I'm going to throw this aside. So this is a seasonal box, you guys. And this actually cost, how much did it cost? Hold on one second. Okay, I know why I was so confused, because it is a seasonal box, and this is the summer box, and you get it 4 times a year, and they're $36 per box, okay? But I went the annual route, which is huge savings, and it's $119 for the whole year if you get the whole year. And so you get over 50% discount from what you would pay at a store, like if you go to Ulta or at Sephora or whoever sells it, okay? And so yeah, you get 6 nail polishes and a gift. And so this time, it's the summer one. I did miss the spring, but I could still buy it. But yeah, spring's almost gone. So this is summer 2021. It says, this summer, create your own hyper-saturated reality. And it's called Electric Escape. That is the name of the actual theme, Electric Escape. And they are so nice. And then they also give you a card with different patterns that you can do. And so, yeah, this is pretty good. And then, let's see. I will have to see what the colors are. This one here, the green, is Plastic Jungle. Then you have the Neon Paradise. Okay, am I here? Yeah, Neon Paradise. Then you have Tangerine Dream. And then you have the, was it Artificial? Yeah, Artificial Orange. And you have the Kaleidoscope. What? Kaleidoscope Eye, which is weird. And a Synthetic Symphony is this one here. Okay? And so they also give you a 25% off coupon code from Orly Colorpass Labs. MSRP is $20. You get 25% off. And here is the actual coupon called coupon code. It's called Escape 25 right there. Escape 25 for the coupon code. Okay, and I will go ahead and link this company below in case you're interested. If you use my link, we'll both get a discount. Okay, so I would appreciate it if you order that you use that link. Okay, you don't have to, but it'll be there. Anyway, so here we go. I mean, these colors are like calling my name. You guys notice? I know my nails have grown. I've been showing that. I need to clip these. These are like way too long for me, and so yeah. I'm going to go ahead and probably clip it, shorten it, and color one of these colors. Okay, and what I did was, and also I want to show you the free gift, which is a quick dry by Orly. It's a deep dry lacquer, and it dries the layers for durable finish. So, yep. And let me see what it says in the back about this. It just says faster than a speeding bullet. Penetrates and quickly dry multiple layers at once for a hard, productive top coat finish. And here it is, like that. Okay. And so I always like a quick drying top coat. I just have no patience for this stuff. So yeah, that's that. And I think I can take off this orange now because I think I've had this a week now. And so, you know, next time you see me on video, I may be wearing one of these colors. You guys want to guess which one I'll pick first? So, and I'll say, yeah, okay, you guys were right. I picked this. Okay, so I'm going to think about it and you guys guess. Okay, so next time when I do the video, you can see it on my fingers. So anyway, anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you. But I think I am. I'm not sure if I am because I don't know how I'm going to do that. Only thing I can do is swatch down here. Or I can kind of try to swatch like this. Not sure if I can. I got these nails that came out of that, you know, the BoxyCharm thing or IPSY thing that are like way too big. I mean, this is like, whoa. I'm like, who's got nails that big? I mean, these things are huge. And so anyway, yeah. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and try it like this. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't have a setup to go vertical right now or horizontal right now. Sorry. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put one coat on these things and just show you one at a time. And this is on a white base, so yep. And these actually are really pigmented. Okay, this is the first coat, one coat. I'm just going to do one coat each, okay, guys? Because these are like very colorful. Look at this. One coat. Wow, this is very pigmented. And they also have the breathable or where, you know, the water penetratable type of nail polish that a lot of Muslim people wear because it penetrates, right? They have that. It's called water soluble nail polish. And so they do have them and it only requires one coat. And so, okay, that one there was Synthetic Symphony. Sorry about that. I mean to bend over there like that. I'm not even shaking these things. I know people like shake them, but I don't think you really need to, but okay. And I would expect this to be, you know, only one coat, so it's not going to be, oh, this is very opaque. You know, when Lisa, the Imperfectionist, did her, she did get really opaque too, but I wasn't sure, you know, if it was, you know, the nail that she was using, but because I don't think hers was white like this, so you wouldn't see the white. So you see here? Okay, this is the Kaleidoscope Eyes. These are really pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm liking these colors. Both of these colors are like calling my name. The, you know, the deep purple and the lavender. And next, which is usually not my color, this is the artificial orange. And let's see. And another thing too, these nail polishes, it's got the patented grip, finger grips here. They have grips so you can open them easier. And it's true because I usually struggle with these, but no, not bad. This one to me looks like, if I were to name this, they call this artificial orange, but if I were naming this, I would have named this kind of like dreamsicle or orangesicle or something like that. It's got that cream orange color to it. Orangesicle, you know, those creamy orange, but this is really orange. It's like neon. Wow. How am I gonna hold this? Okay, hold on. Yeah, here. Can you see it? That thing is like really orange. And I know like Lisa, when she was saying it's really neon, and I was looking at it and I'm like, no, it's not. But then again, I can see why, because this is not, the cameras are not capturing the brightness of it. This is like really neon orange, okay? Yeah, I wonder why it's not capturing it. That's weird. Okay, and this one here is Tangerine Dream. Tangerine Dream. Sorry about that. I keep going out of the picture here. I shouldn't. Okay. And this one, oh, I thought that this would also be a little bit see-through, but, you know, transparent, but it's actually not. This is pretty opaque, guys. Wow, okay. These are just one coat. I'm just, like, putting it on or shoot, like that. I'm not doing anything special to them. There's no undercoat on these. And then you see that these are like also white nails. So, yeah. Okay. And next, yeah, I only have one more nail left because that's all the big ones they had in there, which was 5. I'll have to put half and half because these are both green. So one is called a, let me see, Neon Paradise is this one. And then I will have to do the other one. Okay, Neon Paradise is this. Ooh. This one is a little bit translucent. Oops. Sorry about that. What I did was I soaked my orchids in water and I had to set my clock so that way I don't forget, so I don't kill my orchids because they're flowering right now. And so, yeah, that's what that was about. Okay, I hope I don't forget. I reset the clock though. Okay, this is Neon Paradise and Plastic Jungle. I just dropped this on my special jeans. But that's okay. It's a little bit on there, but I think Lisa had the same problem. Anyway, this is, sorry about that. I have the Plastic Jungle, which is a darker green, and a Neon Paradise is a light green. And since I dropped it, it's going to be kind of like, yeah, weird, but you get the idea, right? Sorry about that. Okay, that's that. So, okay, I am a mess today, and I just got it all over my nails. Oh my gosh. And when you get it on your nail polish and you kind of wipe over it, it kind of starts to make the other nail polish come off. So, yeah, I'm going to have to take these off. See, I got a good excuse now. So, anyhow, you guys, so what do you think? Tell me what you think. I mean, tell me what you think about these nail polishes. I like them. I like the idea of the, subscription. Now I'm going to have to wait till the next one will be, ooh, fall. Really? That's kind of scary because these are summer, right? So the next one I'll get is fall. I'll be looking forward to them, but it's, yeah, I don't want fall to come. I want the summer to come and just, you know, stay a while. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's been kind of, we've been in fall and winter for a while, and now we're finally coming into spring and summer, and just to think that it's coming to be fall again, it's, yeah, So I'm just trying to go ahead and put this back so I don't want to hold it up without closing it because I don't want to drop it. So here it is, guys. Okay. And yeah, tell me what you think. I mean, this is a great deal, I think. You know, these things are expensive. So for me, I mean, like I said, $119 for 4 subscriptions, I don't think is bad at all. And especially because they give you something free. And then I just got another coupon for like 30% off of their stuff. And also another one for the French manicure specifically. So I did order that, and because I do like that look. And and it was like almost 50% off on some of them. So yeah. So I think it's worth it. I don't know. I mean, it's every season, so it's not like you're getting nail polish every month because there's no way you'll go through it every month. It makes no sense. But, I mean, to get it seasonally, I think it makes sense. So, what do you think? Do you get nail polish? Do you get this? I mean, I don't know if there's any other nail polish subscriptions, but if you get it, let me know what you think below. And if you don't, and if you want to consider it, I'll put the link below as well. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers? And if I added any value, you guys, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because we have so much fun here. Okie dokie. And I'm a big mess. So, anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or maybe a good weekend. I don't know when you're watching this, but just remember, doesn't matter. You just need to know to never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.